Hey everybody, it's Dan from Dan Scale Model Creations. I've been in a bit of a funk lately and I really haven't been building much. It happens to all of us. I mean, we just, you build so much, and over the last 4 years, it's been non-stop pounding kits out. I think I just decided that I needed a break without really wanting to take one. So I came down here every second or third night into my build room and sat down and stared at my stash, or worked on a 1/72nd scale John W. Brown ship that I was building and just complete it. And now I just decided that it's time to start building something else. And I thought that this would be a great subject to build. So it's a Model T 1914 Firetruck, and it's a kit by ICM. I absolutely love ICM kits. The quality of them is absolutely fantastic, and the subject matter that they pick for their kits is really, really fantastic. You can see if I just scroll here that they've got such cool stuff. They've got ambulances from the 1900s. They've got vehicles from early World War One, and aircrafts and tanks, and just great subject matter. So that's what I decided that I'm going to build. I do own it, so I already have it in my stash. It's there. I also have the 1/24th scale figure kit that you can purchase to go with this fire truck. So I'm going to be building them as well. I'm really looking forward to this. I've had this kit for probably, I'm going to say, 7 months now or so, and I've been looking at it on the shelf and looking forward to getting around to it. So that's going to be my next build, and I thought that we could do a quick review of it tonight. So here we go. So the instruction book that comes with it is awesome. It's actually an instruction book, so it opens up and it's very well detailed. Nice color photo on the back that tells you what your coloring is. Nice color photo of the finished model on the front, so you can really see what you want to do or how you want to make it look. And the quality, as far as I'm concerned, is really bar none. Like, you cannot beat the quality. On this tree here, you've got some suspension parts, and you've got the exhaust. So that looks like the spare tire there. The drivetrain, the engine, and the actual body. I mean, look at the detail in the raised Ford that's on the steps. Just crisp and clean, and hardly any flash at all on this. Like, the wheels are just such little cleanup. You take a knife and you scrape it along the inside of those, and they're just perfect. The grill with the raised Ford, very crisp, very clean looking. You've got the ladders and the baskets for the back, so that's a great for the back for the tools and whatnot. And tanks for your water. That's the control levers. And then over here you've got the seat. That's a diamond tuck seat. Very nice detail. Floorboards, Ford. The pedals come up through the floor. You got the back. The sides are diamond tuck as well. The sides of the body. And then the figures. The figures as well have great detail. Like, if you look at that firefighter's hat, that's really nice detail. The uniforms, crisp buttons. That's really going to be fun to paint. I'm looking forward to that. The boots. There's one of their faces. The big mustache on the guy. Just great quality. Like I really recommend ICM kits if anybody hasn't built an ICM kit before. Just try one. I think you'll find that that they're a fun kit to build. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys liked it, and you'll follow along as I build this, and I'll try to keep you updated. And let's kick this off with a bang. So as always, keep building, have fun. We'll see you on the next video.